Hello, welcome to All Visions. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to one of our awesome products that we just released yesterday. That our product is called or is titled WordPress Offline Prodigy Package. WordPress Offline Prodigy Package. So, if you are a newbie to WordPress, you don't actually know what WordPress is, and you really want to learn about WordPress, then this our product is good for you. If you're also somebody that maybe have come about WordPress, maybe you're a beginner, you know what WordPress is, and you want to build your dream project with WordPress, maybe a blog, a website, or online store, then this our product is good for you. But if you're somebody that have been using WordPress and maybe you want to expand, maybe you want to increase your knowledge further, this product is good for you. So in this video, I'm going to give you a preview of what this app product contains and why you should make use of it, why you should purchase it now, and how it's going to benefit you. But before that, I want to give you a good candy. I want to give you a very good news that you're going to hear. Most of us don't know. But let me tell you the truth. 80% of our World Wide Web is empowered by WordPress. It's not a fact, it's not a lie, it's true. You can check it in your browser, you can browse it or search it. And I'm telling you the truth, the answer is going to be the same. 80% of the website, the blogs, the online stores, the portfolios you see on the internet are being powered by WordPress. So if you want to build a website or a blog, you want to build your own dream online project, then WordPress is your best choice. Or if you're somebody that have already choose WordPress, then obviously I'll send you that thumbs up. So in this video, I'm going to show you a preview of what this app product is all about. So before we get started, I would like you to get this app. It's called the Z Achiever app. ZARCHIVER is available on Play Store. Don't worry, when we go through the video, you know the reason why this app is needed. So all our products are actually in a zip file. They're actually similar to courses, because in courses you can come to learn anything. It shares your knowledge. But instead of courses whereby you learn online, our product, you are going to get it offline, which means you can learn it anywhere you are going on your devices. Like now, I'm using my mobile phone. So which means with this app product, you can gain the knowledge you need on your devices, on your mobile phone, your laptop, or maybe as you're traveling, and maybe you're resting, also without you wasting data. That doesn't mean you won't waste data. Yes, you waste data, but only once. After you've downloaded this product, then kudos to you. You can enjoy the rest. So, what is this app product? This app product is actually a zip file to package together to give you what you want. Yes, it's a zip file. Now, that is why I say you should use the Achiever app. As you can see, it gives me options as I press that zip file. So instead of you getting any file manager that will make you to extract that file, which can take off your space, as you can see, is 1.88 gig. Don't worry, I told you earlier that this will even waste more than that when you're actually viewing it as a course. So it's best to get it here, and it's going to be worth it. It's going to just really be once, and everything goes. You can enjoy data. So with the Z Achiever app, you can view the zip file without you extracting it. So you just click the view option and the zip file opens. So in the zip file, we have a folder that contains everything inside of it. You click the folder and you can now see exactly the contents of this app product. So this app product has 9 folders, each with powerful content that can kickstart your journey or even elevate your journey of using WordPress. Now, I'm going to start with the first one, which normally all of us are going to start with. The first one talks about getting started with WordPress. Full tutorials on getting to know and how to fully use WordPress. So in this folder, we have content tutorials that can enable you know why should you use WordPress, because I'm sure most of us that are entering this video don't know why. So don't worry, you will also see another full reason why you should use WordPress. And if you don't know the reason why, how are you using it, don't worry. So in the first tutorial here, let me open it up for you.
Hey guys, how you doing? So, WordPress. I was looking around at some job statistics in terms of...
Because of time, I just reviewing them so that I can see what I'm talking about. So in that video, this tutorial, this guy is going to explain to you why WordPress should be used now in 2024. Leave all those guys that are telling you don't use WordPress, go for them. I'm telling you, when you put your money in WordPress, it's going to be worth it. You're going to enjoy it. And that 80%, in short, this guy is going to even tell you something much powerful than that will tell you the reason why you should use WordPress. So key for that. So after that, we have 2 tutorials in a case file. The reason why case file is separate on its own. Now, let me go back. The first one here, intro to WordPress, shows you how you can get started with WordPress. It talks about WordPress quick overview. Let me just play this so that you can see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, welcome.
So that's just it. So
hi.
It gives you a quick overview of how WordPress is, WordPress themes, WordPress page, WordPress menu, WordPress plugins, WordPress settings. So meaning by the time you finish with these tutorials, you know how to get started with WordPress. Then this other one also, the intro to WordPress, to shows you how you can be able to, because you don't really need WordPress. There are other things you need. What are those things? This tutorial is going to talk more about that. So that's just it. So after you're done, you go over to the next folder. What is the next folder? Actually is blogging. Yes, we don't forget about bloggers. Some WordPress courses actually don't talk more about bloggers. They focus more on websites or stores, but blogging is a very good thing. In short, many people have used blogging to make money more than even website owners. So yes, bloggers are not left out. So we have another folder. It says building WordPress blogs for follows etc. with WordPress template kits. So if you have not heard about template kits, then you're going to hear it in this tutorial. Template kit is one of the best things to ever use in WordPress apart from themes. Meaning if you don't want to use themes, you can use templates. With your templates, you can be able to build a blog. Now, if you ask yourself, say, why is template kit different from themes? Why should I not use themes? Don't worry. This tutorial here, you're going to know the reason why you should use. Don't worry, it's extracting, so that why you should use template kit.
Welcome to this class. In this class, we'll be looking at how to use our template kit.
Okay, so
how to work with our template.
Why? But I'm just going to give you a few facts. Number one, template kit is very fast. In short, it gives your blog a live build up fast. If you check me out, try it. By the time you watch this video, try and use your blog, use a theme and use template kits and see how it is. It's much best faster and it's easy to install. Another thing is what blog you upgrade your blog. So you understand how stressful is it with theme. But with template kit, it is less that stressful. So don't worry. Template kit is the best for you, and I assure you when you watch a tutorial you will enjoy it. And not only are you going to enjoy it, you also have a template kit that was provided for you already. This template kit is going to, with this template kit you can now practice on your own how to be able to do this. One talks about it has news magazines template kit. It has normal blog template kit, so you can get started with it. Okay, so we are done with that. So now we have done with bloggers. Which I'm sure by the time you watch this tutorial, you'll be able to design the blog on your own. So now let's now go into website. Now website, we have 3 folders that talks about website. We have one that talks about building a Bitcoin investment website. So if you're into Bitcoin and you want to design a Bitcoin website, this is good for you. We have a video here that talks about it. That talks about how you can build a Bitcoin investment website with WordPress. This is the video. Let's forget about this.
Alright guys, my name is Ajayi Adebayo. So today, see this, I'm just going to come back
and
here.
We also have given you guys a WordPress theme, a Bitcoin WordPress theme that you can use to get started. You understand what I'm saying? So that's it. So apart from that, we also have another one that talks about themes. We have this one that says creating a school website with WordPress. So if you have a school and the school are looking for how to create a website, you can watch a tutorial and create a website for them. Just like I said earlier, it has a full tutorial that talks about how to create a school website with WordPress. And we provided one theme that deals on school themes with WordPress. We also provided a multi-purpose WordPress theme. Don't worry. In that getting started WordPress, when you go through the WordPress themes tutorial, you will see what is different. That WordPress themes are actually different. You will know that multi-purpose WordPress themes can be used for different purposes. You can use in designing a school website. You can use in designing a food website, whatsoever you want to call it. So that's it. So apart from that, we now have a very delicious aroma for you, a very delicious food that you can't take without it. Yes, in our next folder. In this folder, you're going to see how you can input pre-built website. Meaning, you don't need to build a website from scratch with WordPress. You can actually get a website that I've already built already and install it in WordPress dashboard, and you can just maneuver it, add your content, make some changes to it, and you're good to go. We have a full tutorial that shows you how you can import a pre-built template, a pre-built WordPress theme with a very good WordPress theme called Beating. This Beating, there are so many other website themes like it, but I'm going to choose Beating. With Beating, you can import any WordPress theme you want that has already been built already. Import it in your WordPress dashboard and you work on it. You don't need to start building a WordPress theme from scratch, a WordPress website from scratch. So that is it. So with these 3 folders, I'm sure you'll be able to know how to build any theme you want. Some of you may be saying, the theme I wanted to build, the website I wanted to build is not here. Don't worry. You don't need. They say only just with the foundation you can build a house. So this can sound as a foundation. As far in this video, you're going to see how you can be able to apply those things, getting your WordPress, installing the theme, how to be able to use the theme. You just follow the guide and you're good to go. So you can build any website you want with these 4 folders. But it doesn't stop there. We also touched on e-commerce online stores. Yes, despite online store is a broad aspect, is much broader than website or blog, but we still touched on it. We have the added 2 tutorials here that discuss on e-commerce. By the time you watch these 2 tutorials, you know how you can get started with your e-commerce store, how you can install it in your WordPress, how you can start building it, or how you can even build a simple e-commerce store with WordPress, all in this tutorial. Don't worry, you update this. This is just the beginner part. We are currently doing the one that is going to go into pro. That one we are going to talk more about website especially. We're going to give more content, more folders that has each tutorial adapting on different websites. So don't worry, time is coming. What of online store? Yeah, plenty. The tutorials are so many. So in the next of our packaging, next of our product, just stay tuned with us so that you can get this and you learn more about it. You also added 2 juicy, sweet delicacies in this package. One of them is the Elementor Pro plugin. If you have not yet about Elementor Pro plugin, then I'm going to tell you that this is one of the best and most popular tool ever. In short, if you are not using Elementor, you don't know what you are doing in WordPress. Almost half or almost most of people using WordPress uses Elementor. So we have packaged this for you. In this folder, we have given you a tutorial, a tutorial that can introduce you to what Elementor Pro plugin is and how you can start using it. We also have given you an Elementor Pro plugin that you can use and practice whenever you are free. You understand me? So that is it. So last, which is going to end our video here, we have what we call solutions to WordPress everyday problems. Yes, despite you may learn about WordPress, you may still face issues. Surely you will face issues with WordPress. Surely, you are going to face issues. So that is why we have sourced out 4 tutorials on the best WordPress users. Ensure the best platforms or the best organization using WordPress. You have WP Beginner, you have Histra, you have Web. The best. These 3 are actually the best. So with this, you can be able to know how to tackle any problems that WordPress has. All those old shaky problems that WordPress have, this video will deal on it. So what can I say? You have this package. If you don't buy this package, you are doing yourself. If you really want to learn about WordPress, then get this package. I am sure that out of 10, you will hardly see any course that can give you a marvelous work that you have done here. So if you get this thing, just swallow your spit, download this with your 2 gig, then you're good to go. You will get all. By the time you're done with this, by the time you finish consuming all of this, you can build whatever project you like. Even before we give you release the advanced part of it, you are done with it. You can build a blog, a full-fledged blog with templates, and it will run well. Is it websites? You can do it. Is it an online store? You can get started with it. That one, surely you can be able to start building the basics of online store, maybe an ebook online store, or maybe a music online store. You can get started with it. So this is the package you're talking about. This is our product, WordPress Offline Prodigy Package. So if you have already DM'd us, maybe you showing interest in this product, and you have DM'd us and you are watching this data and DM'd us, please, I'm giving you my whole heartfelt assurance. Go ahead with the purchase. You will not regret it. And apart from that, I also have the last drop to give you. It's not actually the last, but we just added it. We have what we call exclusive offer details. Yes, you may ask yourself, why do I add it? It's best. Let me do this. Let me look for something. Okay, so in this bonus test, we have 2 good bonuses I've added. We have the Facebook ads course, we have the blog to business service, and we have our web design mastery event. So these are the cool bonuses. Don't worry, before this event will take place, our advanced this thing will be released. In short, we'll notify you guys on that, so don't worry about that. But if you want to get details on our Facebook ads course and our blog to business service, what is blog to business service? It helps you, with this business service, you know how to do to make your blog into a money-making machine. All those efforts that bloggers pass through, that they'll tell you, leave blogging is stressful, you will kill yourself, don't worry, we'll help you. You have actually created a blog and we have made money from it. So we're going to help you. So if you're interested, you just say, ready to unlock, WhatsApp us. If you have a number and you want the bonus, you can go ahead and DM us and we'll show you how to get it. If you're interested in our web design mastery event, then do so and we'll help you with that. So that is it for the product. So I can't wait to see you guys get this product. I can't wait. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy for it. So thanks for watching and see you the next time.